Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to do another bottle art. The color scheme I have chosen for today's art is black and white, my favorite. I have this big fat bottle which I already have painted black with spray paint. It is now dried completely and ready to be used. You can also use acrylic color to paint the bottle. We are also going to use some round brushes, little bit of water, and of course white acrylic color. So let's start. I am painting today a very easy freehand floral design. You do not need any special painting skill to paint this. You will see it is a very simple design. First make sure the bottle is clean before you start painting. Now we will start our design. Now I have completed painting this side of the bottle. I will let it dry and then paint the other side. Hi, it's next day today. I will paint this side of the bottle now. I painted 3 flowers here. We'll paint 2 more. The top part is looking a bit empty, so I have decided to draw a few butterflies here. So friends, here's the bottle after finishing. I've completed the butterflies. I've filled them up as well like the flowers to give it a solid look. And also I have painted few grasses. Let me know, how do you like it? I hope this video will help you to create your own bottle walk. See you in the next video. Bye bye.